Bulk moving issues in Jira allows you to change multiple issues attributes, such as their project, issue type, or status simultaneously. Here's how to do it. Log into Jira. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform bulk operations. Navigate to Issue Search. Click on Issues in the top navigation bar and select Search for Issues to open the Issue Navigator. Filter issues. Use the search bar or JQL to filter the issues you want to move. You can filter by project, status, or any other criteria. Select issues. In the search results, select the issues you wish to move by clicking the checkboxes next to each issue. To select all issues on the current page, use the checkbox at the top of the list. Initiate bulk change. Click on the Tools menu and select Bulk Change All Issues. Choose Bulk Move Operation. Select Move Issues from the list of bulk operations and click Next. Configure Move Options. Choose the new project or issue type. Adjust other settings as needed, such as updating fields or workflows. Confirm and execute. Preview your selections and configurations in the confirmation screen. Click Confirm to execute the move operation. Monitor changes. Jira will process the bulk move. You can track progress and check for any errors or issues in the bulk change history.